Stephen from Magnolia needs GFCI tips.
Well, he's installing one, Tom.
Okay.
So Stephen asks, how do you properly wire a circuit with one GFCI outlet and multiple ordinary outlets to be protected on it?
Well, what's going to happen is you're going to have the power coming in and the power coming out of the GFCI. So the power coming in, you have to put it in the right two wires, and the ones going out, just continue the circuit down, and it'll protect them all. But it's pretty hard for me just to say that and you get a clear picture. Every package that a GFCI comes in has an instruction page. Look very carefully at the line in, line out. Those are the two areas you're going to see, and wire it as if you're protecting down line. They'll have different options for you on the instruction page. And if you're really not sure, this is when you call an electrician, because it is not difficult, but it's not something I can just say, put the black wire, the white wire, and boom, you got a ceiling fan hung. It doesn't work that way with a GFCI because there's different ways to wire it, but your instruction sheet will tell you.
At least it's not red wire, blue wire.
Then you get into 3 ways and 4 ways.
Oh, so. No.
So I say instructions, electricians, if you're not sure, be careful.
It's one of those. We had somebody who wrote us a couple weeks ago about problems with GFCI, and turns out that somebody hadn't read that diagram right. So,
that's right, and they actually blew out their neutral. It burned up.
Yep.
So you got to be careful.
You got to be careful with that stuff. And you have to be careful to make sure you get an answer you can trust, because there's so many YouTube yahoos out there. You can send us your question, and you got a qualified home builder to answer it. Use the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll help you out, just like we did in these videos over here. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll let you know when there's a new one.